Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.